Joining us now, Danny Tejada, a college counselor and founder of
Hello.
We Go to College. Hello. And James Nowak, Associate Director of Enrollment and Financial Aid Operations at Canisius University in Buffalo, New York. Gentlemen, good morning. Danny, I'm going to start with you. Temple University recently announced it's extending its enrollment and housing deposits by 2 weeks to May 15th. More than 250 colleges across the country have done the same thing. Does that impact students' decisions at all?
It impacts students' decisions in a major way, especially when so many colleges have varying enrollment deposit deadlines. You have some colleges that have June 1st. You have some colleges that are still sticking with May 1st. So when it comes to me, working with students, trying to help them come up with a final decision, it's been difficult to, narrow down financial aid packages and paying attention to whatever whatever enrollment deposits
Yeah.
colleges have. So it's definitely been maddening, trying to help sort it through.
I believe you. I remember that time in my life. It's stressful already. But James, as an associate director of enrollment and financial aid, of course, at Canisius University, how has this impacted your school and students looking to attend your school, Canisius, in the fall?
Yeah, so here at Canisius, we really pride ourselves on being able to have that cost conversation as early in the process as possible. So in a normal traditional academic year, FAFSA opens in October, we award in November and December, and we're able to, prop up the cost conversation with 3 or 4 months before students are expected to make a decision. So this year, with things being delayed, reprocessing issues on the end of the Department of Ed, those cost conversations are only now beginning, and as a result, we've extended our deposit deadline till May 15th.
Danny, not all schools, however, have decided to delay the enrollment and deposit period. Why not?
I, I, from my perspective, when I talk to those colleges, they have the confidence that they would package students with, the financial aid by May 1st. Most of those colleges use the CSS profile that comes from the College Board, the same makers of the SAT. So I definitely seen some colleges come up with packages, but then those same colleges are still asking for the FAFSA to be able to produce packages for certain students.
James, I would love to hear from you as well about those schools not extending those deadlines.
Yeah, so we actually put together what we call the pre-FAFSA financial aid assessment, to Danny's point, to try to put together some estimated financial aid packages to help students and families, move that process along. And in lockstep, we also said, if the information provided in the pre-FAFSA assessment process is valid, we'll honor that estimated package after the dust settles and we inevitably do get that FAFSA. So we are trying to put as many supports in place to families as possible to get them to the finish line.
And both of you know this as well as I do. This is an overwhelming time for so many students and their families. How worried should they be about what's happening here with FAFSA? James?
I think, the FAFSA simplification in a nutshell really, I think, worked. The issue was the rollout. So I think the process, moving into next year, hopefully will be better streamlined. And the end result, the product, the FAFSA experience has been much improved. But I think the reality here is with deposit deadline extensions, we're just going to be doing the work that traditionally we were doing January through April, extended out through this summer.
Thank you for that, Danny. I have less than 30 seconds. But what does this say about the cost of college in general when students are literally waiting to see if they get that extra aid or that FAFSA aid?
Yeah, it's so difficult to be able to, a lot of students don't understand financial aid. A lot of families don't understand financial aid. And a lot of colleges aren't transparent with their financial aid packages in terms of tuition, room and board, and indirect costs as well. So what has happened, in my eyes, the ability to what has been taken away is the ability to appeal financial aid packages. So be able to, whatever you get your deal typically in April, it doesn't seem right. You really want to go to that school. You try to ask that school for a little bit more money. But since we're heading towards the finish line here, is getting more difficult, or to be able to ask for more money. So I just try my best to come up with estimates for students and try to help them settle on a final decision.
This is such an important conversation, gentlemen. We really appreciate your time this morning. Danny Tejada and James Nowak, thank you.